Today we played against a very good Butler team. We know playing at their place, it's always going to be a tough game, and what helped us was we got off to a fast start. Our offense really moved the ball well. Our receivers made some great catches. Our defense was holding them under control, their passing game, and Malcolm's running. So we built up a good lead once we had that unusual break because of a situation, but our players came back out. We scored right away again to build our lead, but Butler fought back, but we held on to get another victory. And what's special about this guarantees another winning season for the Dayton Flyers.
Had to come back, had a little adversity, had a little weird situation at halftime, had to come in with 7 minutes left in the half, come back out, they got the ball, and then we were gonna have to kick off at halftime. So defense came out, made 2 big stops for the offense. Offense came out, made a big play, scored, put us up, and then defensive wise, you couldn't complain. They made a couple big plays left and right, but at the end, we did what we had to do.
We knew we had to come out today and execute and just do what we do every week. We've been on a good rhythm lately, and we knew Butler was going to give us their all, and we just executed offensively and defensively. But offensively, I think we did a great job and put points up on the board.